Good morning, guys. I just woke up, just getting my skincare. I'm gonna put some lotion on. Yeah, I just want to lotion up my body because I just got out the shower because it's that time of the month, and when it's that time of the month, I'm taking probably 3 showers a day. Now that I'm working, probably max 2 since I can't get a third one in. But if I wasn't working, it would definitely be about 3 showers a day. Today's agenda, I'm off today. It's a holiday, thank the Lord. We could have did overtime. And listen, money's good and all, but my peace is much better, so. Last week I did overtime. I am gonna do overtime this week because something exciting is happening. I'm decorating my living room. So when y'all see me spending all this money, please know that I am working extremely hard behind the camera. Like, YouTube is not paying me anything. I am doing all my work at work, getting up early. Is me trying to talk about lotion on my legs. Getting up early, staying later, trying to record videos. Like, I'm doing a lot, which is why I'm happy today I'm off. Okay guys, before we start this video, I do want to throw some clips in. Okay, hear me out. I know what I said, and I know what it looks like, but I just can't do it no more. So we bought a chair. I really tried, but we got to give it up. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I can't do it. Like, y'all, what was I thinking? I'm gonna see if this chair can go in the living room. Like, if it's not too cluttered, maybe I can sit it here, maybe I can put it somewhere. If not, I'm gonna try to sell it on Facebook. And if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna put it out my door or at the trash can, let somebody take it. But I can't do it no more. I can't. I'm sorry. I don't know if I ever updated you guys, but I did finish Vinland Saga a long time ago. It was actually really good. I liked it. I'm excited to be on some action. Even though Vinland Saga is action, it's just not the same type of action as Naruto and JJK. JJK, I am loving. I'm already on season 2, and I just started like early last week. I don't know, but I just love it so much, bro. I'm also watching Top Boy alongside of JJK. I like to watch an anime and then a regular show. Have y'all watched Uglies? That was so good. That's on Netflix. Yeah, I hope they do a part 2 or whatever they gonna call it, because that, I did not want that to end. Why did it end like that? If you guys have any more Netflix recommendations, Hulu, I have Max. What else I have? I have Amazon Prime. So if y'all have some recommendations, shows or movies, let me know. I love watching TV. Did y'all watch Supercell? Oh my gosh, that was so, I watched that like over the weekend. That was so good. Like, why did that end like that? I watched it at the same time I watched Uglies. Like, I was just so mad. Like, why did that end like that? Oh my gosh, this is so much bigger than my last one. I am so excited to get rid of this. Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand the pain. I'm gonna sit it behind y'all for now, okay? Then we're gonna figure out where it's gonna go. But, oh, I tried to get it to match the theme of my room, so it wasn't like, it doesn't look, it is different, but it's not bad. Now, let's see. Having armrests already feels good. I haven't even tested how far I can go up. And like, oh my goodness. And I can make them go up if I want to. I can crisscross applesauce. Y'all, I love crisscross applesauce in here. And I couldn't do that with the last chair. I can only do one leg at a time. Now I can do both legs. I can rock. So I am coming to you guys to unbox some packages. Super excited for what I have here. We have a plethora of things. This is actually my very first purchase ever from Gymshark. And honestly, my mom low-key got it for me because she sent me $25 and said, get yourself something, and I got myself some socks. Gymshark was having a sale, so I decided to get the black pair, the gray pair, and then the white pair. And also, their sale was so good, I was actually able to get another pair. There's this white pair with gold or maybe tan inside. This color here, I think that's like more of like a, it would either be a tan or beige or a cream. I don't know, y'all. And then we have this color. So we have 3 different colors. I am so excited to get inside these, especially because I also just purchased these. Fortunately, I already unboxed them a long time ago, but I bought me some black Converses because, like, Y'all, I ain't never done this. I've never bought myself, like, this ain't really my nature. So to be able to finally get things that I want, which I have been wanting some black Converses for like a very, very like long time, and like I'm able to do this stuff now. So I'm just getting the things that I want, especially how hard I'm working on YouTube, on my regular job. Ooh. This is what this package is. Y'all, please don't be mad. Listen, hear me out. I stay in the gym. I'm in the gym 24/7. I literally just got back from the gym. I just got back from the gym. And so I needed more gym clothes. And honestly, Shein is all I can afford right now when it comes to clothes, so we got more gym clothes. No, I got this in the medium. No. Why would I get this in the medium? I don't even know if I was gonna fit, but this look like it's gonna be big already. Crap, Deja. I got this graphic tee, y'all. I hope it's not big. Okay, wait. No. I should have got a small. You can tell like the gym is my home because that's pretty much all the stuff I got for it, just for the gym. Converse is for the gym. The Gymshark socks are for the gym. So this time around, I got a whole bunch of graphic tees because not all the time do I want to be wearing compression shirts. Like today, I'm wearing a graphic tee that I got from Walmart, and it was like $7 on clearance. Because I noticed that the first time around, I only got compression shirts, which I'm not mad at. I really do like them, but sometimes I just don't want to be in a tight shirt. So here's another graphic tee. This one's cute. Oh, this shirt here is so cute. The color is so cute. Look at this. I really have to get an iron, by the way. That's gonna be my next thing I purchase. This shirt I had to get because to represent where I stay now. What size? Small. It's a Texas shirt. It just has Texas on it. Very simple. Y'all, I haven't bought bras since high school, and my mom bought those bras. I've never purchased myself any bras. She's always gotten me bras. And so I got me a pack of bras, y'all. Now, what I'm gonna be showing you is all shorts because shorts is my jam. And oh, this color is so cute. I never mean to get, I don't care about the scrunch. Like I actually prefer if it don't have the scrunch, but I can't tell from pictures, but these are so cute. I absolutely love this color. Oh my gosh, it looked brighter on camera, but ew. I do not like this color. I don't even recall. Don't like this color at all. I don't even, is this supposed to be gray? Because I ordered gray. And oh my gosh, y'all, finally. Why didn't I order this the first time around? I don't know. But finally some black ones. I needed some black so bad. Okay, so all of these are gonna be scrunched at the butt. Great. But I got some black pairs now. Okay, I have no clue what color that's supposed to be then. Because here's my gray right here. Ooh, these are short. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh, they have a nice pattern on it though. Oh, this color is so beautiful. It was called Dusty Blue, and when I saw it, I fell in love with it. It looks so nice. It is a nice color. I think this is a great color to have. It's like in between that blue and gray. And then I also got this color. I thought this was such a cute color. I have bought these in the blue pair, so I wanted to get them in the purple pair as well. I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed up and get my morning started. We gotta do some Bible reading like old times, y'all. I ordered all my living room decorations today. Look at my living room, y'all. The chair just adds character, y'all, and I cannot wait. Like I said, I literally woke up this morning, looked at my Amazon cart, and I just went ahead and bought everything. I have been studying 2 Kings, and I don't know if I want to go back to 2 Kings. I haven't read the Bible in a while, y'all. What I've been doing is reading my book, actually, because it's called Surrender Your Story, and I have been wanting to read that book for the longest, but I have a problem with reading self-help books because it just don't go the same way as reading my books. Like, I can read those week tops, few days. Those I've started and never finished it. So I have been, it's been a long time. I've been reading that book since October 1st, I believe, and it's now October 14th. So I'm trying, y'all. I'm reading like a chapter a day. Even though last time I read, I didn't even finish that chapter. I just closed the book. It's a good book, and it's like, it's a good reminder of the word and just putting it into practical experiences. It's just like, I just don't really like self-help or inspirational or I don't know. I just prefer to read books like that. So that's what I've been doing. I took a break from reading the Bible. Not that the Bible's not important. I just took a break. but I've been longing to get back into it. So each of the fruits of the Spirit has its own plan. And I think that's so cool because I've been wanting to study the fruits of the Spirit. So what we're going to do is today I am going to not start a plan. I'm going to read the Bible verse for fruits of the Spirit. It took me a long time to decide that, 10 minutes to be exact. First of all, I couldn't stay focused. So we're going to read Galatians 5 today as a whole. And tomorrow I'll start with the first fruit of the Spirit, love. This is kind of crazy because this relates to the video that is coming out tomorrow on October 15th, Tuesday. It's about when sin says you're not worthy. The first verse in Galatians chapter 5 says, "Stand fast, therefore, in the liberty by which Christ has made us free, and do not be entangled again with the yoke of bondage." And that's just talking about when Christ died on the cross for us, that we're free. He gave us the gift of freedom, and God wants us to walk in that freedom and receive that by faith. And it says when we struggle to free ourselves, we just become more entangled again with a yoke of bondage. So we're bound when we're supposed to be free. And I just think that's so cool how it relates to what I talked about in that video. So y'all a question. Do I get on y'all nerves talking so much? I just feel like I can talk to you guys a lot. I just feel like y'all are my best friends. And one thing I'm gonna do is talk. One thing about Texas, they gonna have some Amber Alerts. Like, I get an Amber Alert all the time. And I turned them off in Georgia. I guess they came back on when I moved because I get them so much here. So I don't know why they back on, but I'm probably gonna turn them back off. Because like, what am I supposed to do? I don't even have a car to go get nobody, so. Okay, y'all, I am starting my lunch. I am just gonna do some fried rice. Very easy, very simple. Okay guys, I got me some lunch. I didn't know what I was gonna eat, and then I had some leftover rice, so that came in clutch. I kind of went OD with the onions. I'm not gonna lie, there's like a lot of onions in here. Good thing is I love onions, so I don't mind having like 6 of them in one bite. But let's taste it. It's seasoned really nice, so I like it. Like sometimes I want my onions like really sauteed where it's not crunchy. And I think today I did perfect. Like I didn't want them like too cooked down. And it's really good. It kind of gives me like onion ring vibes. Really good. I like it. Like I just like onions. Ugh. Like I love rice vinegar. I bought it for the first time around this grocery trip. Amazing. I use it all the time when I make rice now. I can't believe it's already 4 o'clock. When I be working, time don't move this fast. But when I'm doing something I love, or we want to move like lightning, huh? But I got a lot done. I think I'm about to either watch JJK or Top Boy. I am almost done with JJK and I'm so sad. I finished season 1 of Top Boy, so we're about to move on to season 2. JJK, I think I have like 5 episodes left of season 2. And I'm just like, why? Don't do this to me. But it's getting real good now, y'all. And I'm really hoping it does not end at a point to make me so mad. Oh, my battery's about to die.